Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's complete the question answers of the chapter The Vijayanagar and Bahamani Kingdom. Let's start with exercise E. Answer the following questions. Write a note on Vijayanagar Kingdom. In the south of India, a Hindu kingdom of Vijayanagar was founded by two brothers, Harihara first and Bukka Rai first. It saw the rule of 16 kings under three dynasties, Sangam, Saluva, and Tuluva. Krishnadev Rai is considered to be the greatest ruler of this kingdom. The king ruled with the help of a council of ministers. It was a prosperous kingdom. The people followed the caste system of the Vedic age. This kingdom had many architectural wonders. Some of them are Vithalaswamy Temple, the Lotus Temple, the Hazara Ram Temple, and the Stone Chariot. Question 2. What steps did Krishna Dev Rai take to improve trade and agriculture? Answer. Krishna Dev Rai took the following measures to improve trade and agriculture. A. He granted trading facilities to the Portuguese on the Malabar coast. B. He built many dams and canals for irrigation. C. Large number of goods were exported to different countries. Question 3. Who were the Ashtadiggaj? Answer. Ashtadiggaj were eight poets whom Krishna Dev Rai honored by giving them a place in his court. Question 4. Who built the Gol Gumbaz? Why is it called the Whispering Gallery? Answer. Gol Gumbaz was built by Muhammad Adil Shah II. The echo of a whisper made in one corner of the gallery is heard clearly at the opposite corner. Hence, it is also called the Whispering Gallery. Question 5. Mention any two features of Gol Gumbaz. Answer. Two features of Gol Gumbaz are as follows. Each minaret or tower has 7 stories with a small dome at its top. B. The large central dome is balanced by tall tapering minarets at each corner. Question 6. Write a note on the Vithalaswamy temple. The Vithalaswamy temple was dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Its construction was started by Krishnadev Rai in 1513 AD. It is situated at Hampi in Karnataka. It has a pavilion with 56 beautifully carved pillars. Some of the pillars of this temple emit music when they are tapped. Another marvel of this temple is the Rath made of a single block of granite. Question 7. Mention any two features of the Hazara temple. Answer. Two features of the Hazara temple are as follows. It was used by the members of the royal family for worship, and B. It has a mandap with four main pillars richly carved with scenes from the Ramayana. Question 8. Name the notable Bahmani rulers. Answer. The notable Bahmani rulers are as follows. Alauddin Bahman Shah, Muhammad Shah I, Firoz Shah, Ahmed Shah II, and Muhammad III. 9. Write a note on the Battle of Talaikota. Answer. The Battle of Talaikota was fought in the year 1565 AD. It was fought between the Deccan Sultanates and Vijayanagar kingdom. The objective was to gain the possession of the fertile Raichur Doab. The battle ended in the defeat of the Vijayanagar kingdom. Question 10. Write a note on Mahmud Gawan. Answer. Mahmud Gawan was a Persian merchant. He held important posts under three Bahmani rulers. He became the Prime Minister of Muhammad III. He curbed the power of the nobles and captured Goa. He was a learned man and a patron of art. Under his guidance, the glory of the Bahmani kingdom reached its zenith? Question 11. Describe the administration under the Bahmani rule. Answer. Under the Bahmani rule, the king was the head of the administration, but the real power lay in the hands of the wazir, who ran the administration. The kingdom was divided into 8 provinces called tarafs. Each taraf was headed by a governor called taraftar. So children, this is it. These are all the question and answers that you need to write down in your copies. Write it down as soon as you can. Thank you.